Hey viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are dealing with the human reproduction. A quick recapitulation of the chapter for the neat preparation. So yes, humans are sexually reproducing organism having distinct male and female partners. They are different. The male reproductive system includes a pair of testes, accessory ducts, glands, and the external genitalia. That is nothing but the penis. Each testis has about 250 compartments called testicular lobules, and each lobules contain 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules, whereas seminiferous tubules have two types of cell, that is male germ cell and Sertoli cell. Region outside the seminiferous tubules have Leydig cells which secrete testicular hormones called androgens. See, based on this information, only we are dealing with male reproductive system. Okay, questionnaire we have prepared here. Some of them we can say about 19 to 20 questions I have. So, objective questions based on NCERT text. First question: pouch in which testes are suspended outside the abdominal cavity is. See, first thing, the pouch is responsible for reduction of temperature as compared to body about 2 to 2.5. So that is not the tunica albuginea. It is not the answer. So we are going to reduce it. Next, inguinal canal. This also is not our answer. Epididymis, it is not. It is responsible for the carrying of sperm. So last option remain is the answer, that is nothing but the scrotum. So see, as I have described, function of scrotum is to maintain the temperature of the testes. Yes, it is the answer. But let me test about other two. So body temperature, no. Level of growth of hormone, no. Level of male hormone, it is also not the answer. So our answer will be temperature of testis. It is going to maintain the temperature of testis for the spermatogenesis. Next, we have next question. Approximate length and width of the testis is. See, the length of testis is 4 to 5 centimeter and 2 to 3 centimeter width. So our option will be option A, our answer will be. But here let's go and check. See, 5 to 6 centimeter length and 3 to 4 centimeter width. No, wrong. 6 to 7 centimeter length and 4 to 5 centimeter width. No, it is also wrong. 7 to 8 centimeter length and 8 to 9 centimeter width. So all the three options are wrong and our option A is correct. That is 4 to 5 centimeter length and 2 to 3 centimeter width. See next, how many compartments are there in each human testis? See, as we have learned in the detailed study, so in that we have mentioned 250. Let's check other two. 300 no, 350 no, 400 also not. So our answer is 250 compartments. See, within that some of the compartments are also present. Compartments in mammalian testis is called, see, testicular lobules. So seminiferous tubules are present within them. Sertoli cells provides the nutrition and interstitial cells are responsible for the synthesis of androgen hormones. So our answer is testicular lobules. See, here testicular lobules contain 3 to 5 seminiferous tubules, no. 2 to 6 seminiferous tubules, no. 5 to 7 seminiferous tubules, no. And last answer is 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules. This will be our answer. See, next, inner facet of the seminiferous tubules contain. See, the cells which is present in seminiferous tubules we need to describe. First one, the male germ cells. They are present in the inner lining. Yes, they are present. So next, Sertoli cell. They are providing the developing sperm's nutrition. Okay, so our answer will be both A and B, and interstitial cell is wrong. Next, germinal epithelium wall of seminiferous tubules. See, seminiferous tubules is consist of how many layer of germinal epithelium? See, basically they are very simple. Very simple. So triple layer is not the answer. Double layer also it is not. See, broken at places, no. So our answer will be single layered. Okay. Which of the following cells present in the mammalian testis nourishes the sperm? So Leydig cells are present in the interstitial cell and they are responsible for the secretion of androgen hormone. So it is not our answer. Next, interstitial cell, they are only Leydig cells. Oxyntic cells, they are not responsible for the nourishment. So our ultimate answer will be Sertoli cell, they are providing the nourishment. Region outside the seminiferous tubules is called. See, it is the region where seminiferous tubules are interacting. Interdigital space, no, it is the wrong. Interferous space, it is also wrong. Interstitial space, yes, it is our answer. Forget about the blind space. It is also a wrong answer. Next question we have here. The seminiferous tubules of the testis open into the vasa efferentia by. See, go through the questions one again. Seminiferous tubules are open into vasa efferentia. By which place we need to answer? See, it is not. Vasa differentia is present above side. Epididymis, it is also not. Why means it is connected lower side. Seminiferous tubules is also not the correct answer. Whereas ratis testis is our answer, from where the testis open. Which of the following depicts the correct pathway transport of sperm? See, as we have learned here, vasa efferentia is open in rate testis. So our answer should begin with rate testis, and directly the last answer is going to delete. See, after that rate testis, we need to go to second pathway. We need to go to second pathway. That is nothing but the, see, it is also wrong. Epididymis, if it is opening means. Vasa efferentia, it is also wrong. Efferent tubules, it is directly, it is wrong. Why means retitestis is in second. Okay. Next, retitestis, efferent ductiles. See, efferent ductiles. Next, epididymis. After that, vasa differentia. So choose the incorrect pair. See, here one cell is going to provide, after that respective functions are there. In that we need to select incorrect pair, means the option which is wrong answer we need to select, that is our correct answer. Leydig cell secrete testicular hormones, it is the correct option, means it is not our answer. It is right but it is not our option. Vasa, efferentia and epididymis are the accessory ducts. Is it? See, here it is also a correct pairing, means it is not our option. Epididymis loops over the urinary bladder. Is it happening? Okay. So this is right. And last one is, see, ejaculatory duct, vasa efferentia. Okay. And seminal vesicle, this is our wrong answer, so it will be the option. Next, which of the following statement is not correct? Here also we need to take the wrong option, that is our answer. urethral opening of the penis is called urethral meatus. Yes, it is correct. External opening. Penis is covered by a loose fold of skin called glans foreskin. It is also correct. Secretion of bulbourethral glands help in lubrication of the penis. Yes, it is also a right option, or we can say right answer. But here we need to select the incorrect. So none of the option is correct. Identify A, B, C and D in the given diagram. See, all I have mentioned all of the labelings earlier itself. So here A refers to urinary bladder, B refers to seminal vesicle, C is prostate and D is bulbourethral. Based on this, we need to select our option: urinary bladder, seminal vesicle, prostate. See, first wherever the urinary bladder is there, that is the options. So here option C and D is directly going to deleted. Okay. Why means here it is not begin with our A is what? Urinary bladder. So urinary bladder, after that seminal vesicle, prostate and bulbourethral gland. As per the sequence A, B, C, D, the option B is correct answer. See, urinary bladder, seminal vesicle, prostate and bulbourethral gland. Next, coming to here, E, F, G, H we need to identify. E is urethra, F is testis, G is foreskin and H is glans penis. We need to see here in this E, F, G, H. E is what? See, only in option C urethra is beginning. So all the three remaining options are wrong and the option C is our answer. See, all the other options are beginning with glans penis, testis. That's why they are wrong. Next, identify I, J, K, L and L in the diagram of question number 15. See, as we have gone through A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and now I, J, K, L. I refers to testicular lobules, J refers to retitestis, K refers to vasa efferentia and L refers to epididymis. The option should begin with testicular lobule and next it should be retitestis, vasa efferentia and epididymis. So this should be the sequence. So let's see the options. First one, it need to begin with testicular lobules. So we have, this is not beginning with the testicular lobule. Again, this is not beginning with the testicular lobule. And this is not. So this will be our option, testicular lobules. Option D is correct answer. Next question, identify the accessory glands found in males. See, we need to identify the accessory glands which is present in male. Seminal vesicle, yes, it is one of the accessory duct. Prostate gland, it is one of the also male accessory gland. And bulbourethral gland, it is also a accessory gland. Means our option will be all of these. So option D is our answer. Next, by looking the diagram, the given diagram refer to TS of testis showing sectional view of a few seminiferous tubules. Identify the parts labeled A to D and select the correct option. See, firstly, I have already labeled them. A is Sertoli cell, which is giving the nourishment. B is spermatogonia or germ cell. C is interstitial cell, which is present in between two seminiferous tubules. And the D is matured spermatozoa or sperm. So this should be our sequence. First, A should be Sertoli cell. A should be Sertoli cell and Sertoli cell is present in three options. So option C is going to delete directly. Then Next move to second one, B, spermatogonia, where it is present in next sequence. So in first as well as in option A as well as option B, the spermatogonia is not present. So our answer will be directly option D as per this. So let's we cross check it. A is Sertoli cell, B is spermatogonia, C is interstitial cell, and D is sperm. So this is how we need to use the tips and tricks during our examination. Hope so you are enjoying my videos. Allah Hafiz, दुआ में याद रखना. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel AR Pyara Din. Allah Hafiz.